it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This is Dia&Co unboxing and try on number 20. So last month, I wasn't very impressed with Dia&Co, so I actually went in and canceled my subscription altogether. And then probably a week or two later, I got an email from Dia&Co from customer service saying, hey, we noticed you canceled. We would love to send you another box, styling fee on us, give us another chance. So I said yes. So customer service said they would pair me up with a new stylist, let them know what I was looking for, and they would personally reach out to this new stylist and make sure I got those items or similar items, that sort of thing. So this is what I asked for. I said, I'd love to try another box with a new stylist. I'm looking for summer pieces, flowy and bright colors. I have plenty of denim shorts, so I'd love to try some linen ones. Now, to be fair, shorts auto-corrected to shirts, so it does say I have plenty of denim shirts, so I'd love to try some linen ones. So to be fair, I didn't get any shorts in this box. It did autocorrect, so I mean, it's no one's fault that that happened but mine. So I did get a new stylist. Jamie curated this box for me. The first thing that I want to talk about is this dress. The brand is Juna Rose. It's in a US size 1X. It's like a flowier dress. It's fitted at the top, a little bit flowier at the bottom. I do really love the longer sleeves. It just makes me feel more comfortable, like I'm not tugging at them, trying to pull them down all the time. Like this sleeve length is perfect. This one is perfect. When I pulled this out of the box, I didn't think that I would like this, and then it actually fit really well. I was worried that the 1X would be too snug, and it's not at all. It's a great length. The sleeves I've mentioned are great. The fit is great. The only thing with this is not summer bright colors to me. I mean, gray and black. You could pair this, belt it with some boots in the winter, and it would be really pretty. It just doesn't scream summer to me. Had it been like hot pink stripes or even like a turquoise and a white, like something bright, I think I would have liked it a lot better. So this is called the Hampstead Cotton Swing Dress, light gray / black 1X. It is $59. Next thing I'm going to show you is something that is also black, but I can get past this because it could be a great layering piece. So it's this black tank top. The brand is Michael Studio. Yeah, Michael Studio Collection, US size 18. This was a little bit snug. So had it been a size larger, I think I would have really liked it. I like the way this fits. It's not see-through, not fits, that's not what I'm trying to say. I like the style of this. It's not see-through. Had it been a size or two larger, I think it would have been perfect. It's also got the adjustable straps. Could be a great layering piece. However, it's black. So I'm kind of like, could I have gotten this in hot pink or yellow or even white? Would be more summery than black. This is called the Sandra Button Detail Cami, and it is $39. All right, let's talk about this. This is the one thing that's pretty much summery in this entire box. It is a wrap. No, not wrap, a tie kimono. That's what I'm going to call it, a tie kimono. The brand is Mary Sky. It's in a size 2X. Look at that color. That is a beautiful color, and the pattern, it's just so pretty and spring and summery. I love this. I'm not sure though if it's a little bit big. Like if it's not tied, it kind of feels like the shoulders are going to fall off a little bit. But I think it's meant to be that size. Let me know in the comment section if it's meant to be a little bit larger, like a little bit oversized. This is perfect. Had everything in the box been this theme, I would have loved it. This is called the Macy Short Sleeve Kimono 2X. It is $39. I did get this super dark pair of jeans. These are the brand Molly and Isadora. In a size 20, they say crop. They have a little bit of distressing on them. Where is it? Right down here. And then a little bit on the back pockets. These fit great in the stomach and the waist, but the thighs and the calves on these were so tight, like uncomfortable tight. As I was putting them on, I thought, there's no way these are going to fit. And then they did, but they were just a little bit snug. I did mention in my style note that I had plenty of denim shirts, so I guess I can't fault them for sending denim jeans because I didn't say anything about jeans. These are called the Gardner Double Rolled Capri. Okay, dark wash, $59. And the very last thing in my box is this little black bag. I have a black bag that I'm pretty sure I kept from Dia&Co not long ago, a few months ago maybe. This one's cute. Like the inside has a cute pattern on it. I don't know if I like the shape of this. I would almost rather it be like an all the way open one. Like this is just a little dated to me. So had this been in a bright color, I could justify keeping it. This is called the Mckenzie Perforated Bag. It is $35. So the total for everything in my box is $231. They did give me a styling fee credited toward this box, even though I didn't pay for one. That's $20. They also give you 25% off if you keep everything in the box. So the total with all of those discounts is $153.25. So let's talk about it for a second. I'm not really impressed with the pieces that were selected for me. I do like the kimono, the colors and everything. Again, the size may be a little bit off. Y'all let me know. But for me to specifically ask for summer, flowy, bright things, especially like linen things, and not to get any of those is a little disappointing. Especially on top of that when customer service reaches out and says, I'll personally let a stylist know what you need. So let me know what y'all think about Dia&Co. I may go ahead and cancel after this one. I probably won't keep anything in this box. I don't need it. But that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.